This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bill Sontag. Beautifully updated 2+ den/2 bath first floor end unit. Great location right by a community pool. The Abbey floor plan offers a guest wing that can sleep 4, consisting of a guest bedroom, a guest bath, and an access to the den which can be separated from the living area. There are side windows in the den, guest bedroom, and glass block in the master bath. Upgrades include wood grain tile on both the front and back lanai, vinyl plank wood grain floors in both bedrooms. No carpet anywhere. The kitchen has white cabinets with granite countertops and lighting over the kitchen bar top. Other upgrades include window treatments, lighting, fans, crown molding. Beautifully furnished, and it is being sold turnkey. It also has a new AC system. Heritage Bay offers a true resort-style lifestyle. Be sure to take the time to see what the community has to offer in addition to 27 holes of great golf. This is the best value in Collier County, and the people here are friendly. The special assessment for the $10 million Enhancement Program has been paid in full. For more information, review the details below or contact Bill Sontag at 239-293-2926.